everyone, today our main topic is about the difference of argon arc welding machine and the cold welding machine. The argon arc welding machine uses the tungsten electric discharge to form high temperature, then melt the material for welding. The advantage is the speed is very fast and it is easy to find a welder. But there are also have many disadvantages, like if the effect is with deformation, discoloration, and annealing. It is hard to achieve the high standard of precision welding machine. Let's see the effect of argon arc welding. The cold welding machine is designed to avoid the disadvantage of argon arc welding machine. The principle is to use arc puzzle and accurately control the discharge time. There's no heat accumulation, and it can achieve the real no temperature welding. It is very suitable for thin plate and sheets. With our calculation, the temperature can be controlled about 50 degrees, so we can touch it with our fingers. Let's check the effect of cold welding.